What's the meaning of balls out? Balls out. Balls out.
Balls out. Balls out. Balls out is an idiomatic expression that is typically used to describe a situation where someone is going all out, giving their maximum effort or pushing themselves to the limit. The phrase likely originates from aviation, where throttle levers on planes were often shaped like testicles and were pushed all the way forward for maximum speed. Over time, the phrase has come to be more commonly used to describe any situation where someone is putting forth their fullest effort or taking a bold and daring approach. The phrase is often considered somewhat vulgar and is not appropriate for all audiences or contexts.